ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಜಿಯೋಸ್ಪೇಷಿಯಲ್ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಎಂಎಂಜಿಇಐಎಸ್ ಪೈಲಟ್ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ಎಸ್ರಿ ಸಿಕೆಎಲ್ ಚಾಲನೆ. ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ಜಿಯೋಸ್ಪೇಷಿಯಲ್ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಕೇಂದ್ರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸುವ ಗುರಿ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಜಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮುಂದಿನ 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ 1 ಲಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ತಲುಪುವ ಗುರಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಬಾಹ್ಯಾಕಾಶ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯದ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನ ಎಂದೇ ಪರಿಗಣಿಸಲಾಗಿರುವ ಜಿಯೋಸ್ಪೇಷಿಯಸ್ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಮೆಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಜಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಸ್ ಪೈಲಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಇಸ್ರೋದ ಮಾಜಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಮತ್ತು ಬಾಹ್ಯಾಕಾಶದ ಆಯೋಗದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ಎಎಸ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಪೈಲಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಭಾರತೀಯ ಹವಾಮಾನ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಮಾಜಿ ಮಹಾನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೆಜಿ ರಮೇಶ್, ಮಾಜಿ ಸರ್ವೇಯರ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಸಾವರೆಂಟ್ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ವಿನೀತ್ ಗೋಯಾಂಕ, ಇಸ್ರಿ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾದ ಅಗೇಂದ್ರ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟರಿ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇದು 100% ಕಾಟನ್ ನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. 0 ರ್ಯಾಷಸ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ನ್ಯಾಪ್ಕಿನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 100% ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಕೂಪನ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾಕೆ ತಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಖರೀದಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿ ಪಡೆಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಖರೀದಿಸಲು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ 7996827256 79968277256.
Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar, former chairman of Indian Space Research Organization and also member of Space Commission, Indian Space Commission. I would like to welcome him to this meeting. I would also like to introduce, we are 5 of us here are the members of the board which has been created for GEIS program, and I would like to also introduce other board members. Shri Kiran Kumar chairs the board. He is the chairman of our board. Next to him is Shri Vineet Goyanka. He is the secretary of former Director General of India Meteorological Department. So just to give you some background, MMGEIS, Master Mentors Geo Enabling Indian Scholars. It's a program which was announced in collaboration between Center for Knowledge Sovereignty and ESRI India. The objective of this program is to inculcate a geospatial thinking and cultivate a research-oriented mindset among the student community. Students are going to be future citizens of this country, and they are going to be, taking the country on the path of progress for years to come. So under this program, we will invite students from 8th grade to undergrad to join and learn about geospatial technologies, how certain things are done, and there's a whole lot of program which has been created, which we are launching today. And Shri Kiran Kumar ji will give you a little more details of that. But the objective here is to change the thinking mindset so that in India more fundamental research and development in the geospatial space can be taken up, and Indian students eventually should be able to file patents and create some intellectual property. With this, I will hand over to Shri Kiran Kumar, our chairman of MMGEIS board.
Kiran sir and everybody on the board. So my part will be of 4 different statements which I want to tell you so that it will help you out. The name is MMGEIS. If you see, this 6 alphabet can be broken into 3 sectors. MM stands for Master Mentor. So we all knew one thing, that if somebody mentors you, then the life becomes easier and the vision are very clear. So one has to have a mentor. Who better than the best of the mentors available? So if I talk about in a layman's language, engineer. So who should be the best engineer in this country, the highest level of engineer or the biggest engineer? So one which you will see the 3 gentlemen sitting here. If it is space, I'm sure you will agree that former chairman is the biggest engineer. Who is bigger than him? Or if you see Surveyor General sitting on my right hand side, or if you see Director General India Meteorology Department, Dr. Ramesh. So who would be the bigger than them? So we thought Master Mentor stands for those mentors who cannot have bigger than them. And what about an 8th standard kid talking to them directly to have a mentorship? That's why that 2 alphabet MM. The second 2 alphabets GE stands for geo enabling. So as we are into the space called as geospatial. Now spatial, if you ask some layman, if you would have asked my grandfather, probably he will think about a chai spatial kind of thing. But here the spatial is SPATIAL, which is about the science and the study, which is there around the activities. Then the last 2 alphabets, which is I, stands for the Indian scholar. The students whom we have identified from grade A to 8th till the undergraduate side. So that is the journey. So this is this 3 set of 2 alphabets which makes the 6 alphabet MMGIS. Number 2, as said by the chairman, Honorable Kiranji, the first phase will start on 8th of March. The kids can register it online on the website and the app. Then throughout the 2 months, that is March and April, this will be open for registration. Then in May, they can go through the course material which we have made. We thought that kids may not know this word because it is new to many of us, so all the students who are there. So they will go through the course material which is prepared by the team, and after that they can give the online proctored test which is there. Now this online proctored test is equivalent to any other best test because we have applied highest level of standards which we could do that, and people who are there. First batch will be 1,000 scholars, students, and then subsequently every year 100,000 targets, 1 lakh has been targeted as said by the.
These 5 are important and they are intimately interacting with each other and contributing to the societal degradation of the resources. So more of awareness related with all the 5 elements will be part of this curriculum. And our purpose is to build the comrades to work for improving the environment around us and work towards taking the society to the sustainable development goals.
Like even for crop monitoring, crop damages, for disasters, even the precision farming which is likely to come up now. India has already established a continuous operating reference station, and that can be used for precision farming, which is being used in many countries. So it is definitely going to add value in agriculture field also. The aim is to, like it has been brought out, that objective is to inculcate different thinking, geospatial thinking.
So will you be able to brief?
ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ವಿಷಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅತಿ ಶೀಘ್ರವಾಗಿ ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀಳಿಗೆಗೆ ಜಿಯೋಸ್ಪೇಷಿಯಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಅದರ ಮಹತ್ವ ಏನು, ಅದರ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಅವರು ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದರು, ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು MMGIS ಮೂಲಕ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು ಸುಮಾರು 1,000 ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು 4 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಿಯೋಸ್ಪೇಷಿಯಲ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಅವರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂದು 5 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಸುಮಾರು ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡೋ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ News 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.